Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment to look at this Singer Quad-AER 3000 30-inch right-on lawn aerator. Now this unit does have the Seedbox. Starting off with the engine, we can see it has the FT730V as a Kawasaki engine, and that's going to be roughly 22 horsepower. We can see the exhaust on the front. Front wheels. On the side here we can see the fuel tank. And this unit has an aerating depth of up to 4 inches. We can see the rear plate to stand on, and the mat to lean on. On the control panel, you can see the time pressure adjustment, choke, throttle, the hour meter, the time control up and down, and then off for transport. We can see the off position, the on position, and the start position. It does have a maintenance sticker on here. It says to change the oil filter after 50 hours and then every 400 hours. Shows the oil type, engine filters and belts. We can see the seed flow. Back behind the rest, the battery is located. Now this unit has no chains, it's direct drive with hydraulics. That fuel tank is 6 gallons on the unit. The platform to stand on does fold up. Make another pass around the machine. You can aerate up to 2 acres in an hour. Forward max speed of 7 miles an hour. You can take a 50-pound capacity of seed. Take another look at the rest here. Platform. Now it is powder coated, steel construction, 30-inch working width. If you have any additional questions on this machine, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you here at SLE Equipment. Thank you and have a great day.